channel. So I got my Ipsy bag in the mail today. This is November Ipsy, and I wanted to open it. I wanted to open it up. I'm like, I don't know if I should make a video. Let me know down below if you guys like when I do Ipsy unbaggings. Actually, I'm not quite sure after this month if I'm going to be getting Ipsy anymore, just because I have a lot of sample size stuff that I do need to use up. And if you guys did not know, I do have my October Ipsy unbagging, and I do have a little mini giveaway going on in that one, so be sure you go check that out. But this is what this month looks like. Hunter just went to his dad's, and I'm very low energy, so do not mind that. Matt and I are about to have some dinner soon, so I'm looking forward to it. But if you guys did not know, Ipsy is $10. Well, no, that's a lie. Now it's $12 a month. They bumped it up like $2, but I still think it's worth it because you can get some really good stuff. So this is what the bag looks like this month. The tassel is really cute, but the bag, I don't know. To me, this, if they would have done the cheetah print, like the leopard print or whatever this is, if they would have done it like dark brown and then this color, like the lighter camo-ish color, for the prints, I just feel like it would have looked so much cuter, but I just don't think this bag is that cute. So the first thing that I pulled out, it wasn't in the bag, it was like in the bag that they shipped it in because it was too big, is this brush right here. And this is the Gorgeous Contour Brush from, it says Gigi Gorgeous, and I didn't even think that. I didn't look at any of my spoilers this month, but to use this as a contour brush, I'm grabbing my thing and I'm going to see if, I don't know, maybe? I'm really weird about my contour brushes, and I've been really wanting a new one, but I'm pretty excited to try this one out, because I love a lot of the brushes that I've received, I've gotten from Ipsy, so excited to try that out. So let's see what's in here. First thing I see is from Lovecraft Beauty, which I don't think I've ever gotten anything from them before. And this is a blush in Dauphine. And it looks like it broke a little bit, but just going to make sure it doesn't fall out. Okay, this is the shade. It's actually really pretty. It's kind of like a mauve-y, brownish pink, which I don't have any colors like this, so I'm actually pretty excited to add this to my collection. I've been getting more into blushes lately. Alright, next up is the Murad Essential C Daily Moisturizer Broad Spectrum, and it has 30 SPF in it, which is pretty awesome. Brightens and helps shield skin. I like this kind of stuff for the summertime. So this one is going to be sitting in my closet till I actually, because I like Murad. It's a really good brand. I go through sunscreen a lot, so that'll be sitting in my closet till next summer. Then I got the Wander Beauty, which Wander Beauty is a really good brand. This is Wondrous Glow After Hours. Oh, I'm excited. I think this is actually a highlighter. Hopefully it's one that's light enough. Yes. Okay. This looks like it's going to be stunning, and I am swatching it. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's right there, kind of. Oh my gosh. I have a feeling this is probably going to be one of my new favorite highlighters. So pretty. I'll for sure be doing a look using this soon. And I like that it's got a magnetic closure to it. See, this is one thing about Ipsy that's nice, is you get really good brands like that. You get to try stuff out that you originally wouldn't buy. And then next I got a Nomad Sydney Bathurst Mainly Beach Kiss and Sun Bronzer and Contour. Wow, I got a contour brush, a blush, a highlighter, and a contour. I'm wondering if this is looking like it's going to be way too orange for my face. And I just got one. Yeah, this looks kind of similar to the Ulta one that I just got. They're a little different, but they're both very like orangey, and I just don't like orangey kind of bronzers on me because I just feel like with my pale skin it doesn't look that great. So I will be sticking this off to the side. I'll put it in a giveaway, and then that was it. So it did come with a little pamphlet to show everything, and I did write on my profile that I am experienced with makeup. Obviously today I'm not wearing makeup, but I am very experienced with makeup, and it's awesome that I got like everything makeup related besides the Murad broad spectrum moisturizer, which is totally fine because I like this brand, like I said, and I like to have moisturizer. So yeah, what do you guys think? I think it was a really good bag this month, actually. I'm kind of pretty shocked by it. I really enjoy this love. Well, maybe okay, the packaging just totally came off, like super easy. But I enjoy this blush. Looks really pretty. I like that it does come with a mirror with it. This Wander Beauty highlight just seems like it's going to be amazing. This contour brush is just so soft. It looks like it's going to be great. And then obviously that bronzer I'll put into a giveaway. Like I said, guys, I do apologize. I just wanted to get this video out there. This mama is super freaking tired. I don't know, like it's just been one of those days. But I'm really ready to get some chill time and get some sleep. But I wanted to get this video up like right away and show you guys what November Ipsy bag is like and a few things in it if you guys are curious and you want to pick it up. But yeah, be sure to go enter that giveaway. I'm actually having one up here very soon. It should be up tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Sorry I'm out of it, like I said, but that happens sometimes. Usually I don't film when I don't have the energy, but I really wanted to see what I got in this bag, and I kind of wanted to show you guys. So, I'm tired. I'm gonna get some sleep. I hope you guys are all doing really well. I've actually recently had my doctor's appointment and figured out a few things, what is up. So that video is going to be up very soon. I vlogged it and everything, and I'm just excited to share with you guys kind of what's been going on with my life and all that. And I'm just tired today because I didn't get a nap with Hunter. And usually I get a nap with Hunter, and it's been a pretty busy week so far, but it's been a good week. Excuse me. But I'm going to go enjoy some dinner with my man, have some snuggles, and probably make some hot chocolate later on tonight because I make a bomb hot chocolate. And I hope you guys are doing well. Let me know how you're doing down below. And like I said, let me know if you guys like Ipsy unbaggings. Like, should I continue to get Ipsy and do these and maybe do some try-on videos with them? Let me know. Or if you're not that big of a fan of Ipsy anymore, let me know down below. Maybe I'll try something new. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.